Hey guys, welcome back to another Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing video, and today we have the last truck I needed from Mix 7, which is the Training Trucks Zombie. So I ordered this on eBay, and I have another truck coming. I have another truck on the way as well. That truck will be revealed once I receive it. And yeah, so today I got the Train Truck Zombie, and enough chit chat, let's get this bad boy open. Alright, so there's the truck, here's the figurine, it's kind of like this blood red color, and here's the complaint card, but here's what I have to say about it. And of course it comes with a poster, but I'm not going to show that. So yeah, but let's take a look at the beautiful Training Truck Zombie. So it's got these like bone gray tire treads with blood red BKT printing that looks awesome. The gunmetal gray rims look awesome. It's a metal base, red chassis. And here is the cab. It says Zombie right there, Monster Jam logo. Basically same exact cab detail as the other training trucks, just different color. And my favorite part about it is the zombie, here, if it'll focus, the zombie mascot face on the hood. That looks awesome. And yeah, Megalodon was my favorite training truck, but I think this Zombie took the cake. Because, oh my gosh, is this thing beautiful or what? And this truck, and yes, the truck is very cold because the package was out in the rain. And I decided to open it because, you know, I opened my other training truck. So, yeah. This will make its debut in Sign Up Series number 26. So, yeah. So that was the unboxing of the Training Truck Zombie. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give this video a like and also subscribe and comment as well. And yeah, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day.